If the authorities do not do something about the Negril and the way it looks, by December 1st, it will be the biggest talk on social media around the whole world. Tourists who are regular visitors is going to see it, and they're going to be very disappointed with the authorities.
I said you want to go to Negril, or even to Mobile.
In the heart of the picturesque resort town of Negril, urgency echoes through the words of a concerned hotelier as he issues a passionate call for immediate action. With the looming advent of the tourist season on December 1, a critical plea for a comprehensive facelift, cleanup, and essential road repairs resonates through the community. The hotelier, Dalton Hill, a dedicated advocate for the town's prosperity, emphasizes the need for swift municipal intervention to ensure that Negril stands as a vibrant, welcoming destination for visitors from around the world.
23 winter is going to be as big or bigger than 2022-23 winter season in Negril. The bookings are showing up already, and it's very difficult to even get a flight out of Europe because of the bookings. We should look forward to a bumper season. There's no doubt about it, because the handwriting is on the wall already to see for the forward bookings. It is there. I think that the agencies that are responsible for the cleanliness and the aesthetic of Negril should start doing some work. Negril does not look good. The garbage collection is a problem. The roads, the Western Road, is completely gone kaput. Norman Mandel Boulevard, when the rain falls, it is like a lake. And I have no idea why the agencies do not do something about it, because nowhere in the world you go in a tourist resort that looks like Negril. Most and all resorts that I've been to around the world is well taken care of, but Negril has not been taken care of by the agency. The works agency, garbage collections, and all your cleanliness to do with the town, the aesthetic, the sidewalks, all of what to make a resort town looks like a resort town. To me, it's not being done. In terms of the Western Road, I have never seen the Western Road look so bad. In all the years that I have been in this business, it is the worst it has ever been. And I have no idea why the agencies don't come and fix it. The potholes are absolutely like some kind of cave. And yet every day you see the same thing all along. Nobody will not do anything about it. The Water Commission dig and dig every day, and they won't fix nothing. So I cannot understand why the Water Commission do not fix back the road whenever they dig the pipes. If I was a tourist coming to Negril and I come here and see the way it looks, I would go back saying that it looks really bad.
Negril, renowned for its stunning beaches and vibrant cultural scene, faces a crucial crossroads as local stakeholders grapple with the imperative task of revitalizing the town's infrastructure. As a plea for urgent attention gains momentum, the fate of Negril's tourism landscape hangs in the balance, compelling authorities to address these critical issues and secure the town's allure as a premier destination for travelers seeking sun-soaked experiences and Jamaican hospitality.